Today
on the green.
Welcome to Today on the Green.
We're your hosts, AJ and Lola.
Today and tomorrow is the pop show.
Whoa!
And guess what? We're both gonna be in it.
That we are.
Yeah, we're in it a lot.
It features all of our choirs. So, chorale,
men's, women's,
concert, and
chambers.
The theme is Once Upon a Pop Show, so it's about a bunch of stories. And we are doing Into the Woods. Who are you?
I'm the baker's wife. Who are you?
I am Little Red Riding Hood.
Whoa.
And it is so good, and you should come see it.
Totally.
I think so.
Yeah. Also, there's another signing day.
Today was another signing day for D3 athletes.
If you are interested in being next year's host for Today on the Green, you must come to the meeting tomorrow at second lunch. Tomorrow's Thursday, the
18th, and we're going to tell you all that you need to know for our auditions next Thursday.
Whoa. It's like, that's also the same day as Pop Show.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm advertising again.
Go to both. Be a host and support choir.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Just like us.
You want to know something really cool?
What's really cool?
Some of our students on campus who have pursued welding are getting a scholarship, which sends them straight into the industry.
That's awesome.
That's actually really cool.
Jules
is going to tell us more.
All right, Ms. Tilford, can you tell me about this program that these students got accepted into?
Sure. So the summer welding opportunity is a process that the students went through where they did applications, they submitted a letter of recommendation, and they were admitted to a program that's going to allow them to have firsthand experience, hands-on opportunities with welders in the industry, professionals that are going to help them explore opportunities within the welding union and trades.
All right, and so what does this mean for their future again?
So because they're going to be getting this firsthand hands-on experience, the opportunities could be within the field itself or exposure to different parts of welding as well.
All right, and what grade are these students in?
11th and 12th? Yes. I should know that.
And what do the 12th graders, after this program, what do they get into?
So in the past, students that have been in 12th grade were actually offered positions within the welding field. Also could kind of get their foot in the door to meet industry professionals that could offer them opportunities as well.
And what about these juniors?
Well, they'll have another opportunity to start this program again next year if they wish to do so, or explore other opportunities within the welding field as well.
Thank you so much. Congrats, guys. All right, can you tell me about your process applying to this program?
I had to get a letter of recommendation, which was with my dad and sort of my mentor for PACE, because they've seen how I've worked throughout the years, and that's what got me into the school.
Are you excited for this program?
Yeah, I'm super excited. Either I'm going to do this out as a job or just as a little hobby.
All right, thank you. What do you most look forward to from this program?
I'm excited to find a new career right after high school.
And what career is that?
Welding, or if I don't like it, going to a different trade school.
All right, thank you. Now back to Lola and AJ.
Thank you, Jules. Update. I finished Twilight. On Sunday?
No more Twiglet.
I believe. No more Twiglet. I started a new book. Started Coraline. I'm having a very fun time. And my bookmark is a Battle of the Bands ticket from last year. But guess what? On Friday, it's also Battle of the Bands 2023.
We better see you there.
Yeah, and there's gonna be 7 different bands.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
7 different bands.
You didn't know that?
I did
not know that.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, I'm honestly excited to see In Danger of Failing.
That's my favorite band.
So good.
They're so good.
I'm not biased at all. But this time you'll see my father play a different instrument.
So go to find out. Yeah.
Thank you.
Battle of the Bands. Bob.
Thank you so deeply much from the bottom of my heart for tuning into Today on the Green. Come back tomorrow if you want to see what will happen today on the Green tomorrow.
How many more episodes of these do we got?
10? 5.
What? 11. What?
11.
Woo!